Meet the pangolin, one of the most unique animals on the planet. These lovable creatures are actually bipedal, meaning they walk on their hind legs, like you and me. They are completely covered in overlapping scales made of keratin. Pangolins are the only mammals with armor like this. Their scales can make up 20% of their body weight. When threatened, pangolins roll into a tight ball, making them nearly impossible for predators to attack. These insectivores are ant and termite specialists with sticky tongues that can be longer than their bodies. Pangolins eat up to 70 million insects per year, including ants, termites, and larvae. Pangolins, nature's armored marvels. If you're enjoying learning, like and follow for more amazing animals.